Alright, so this is the wiring diagram for the fuel pump relay. I've tested all of these circuits. The battery positive circuit tests good. The ground to the relay tests good. The power wire to the fuel pump, that circuit tests good. The circuit we're having problems with is the relay control. That goes from the PCM straight to the relay. That's what energizes it, put power to the fuel pump. Down at the PCM, I've got a test light connected to that circuit so we can see if we have power out of the PCM. I also have a wire this one's hooked up to the relay. No power right now to the fuel pump relay. That's this guy here.